bending back my painting that I chose for this week's video. Sometimes after you work on them, they get a little, and you gotta bend them back. This month, we are working on new ideas, new themes, new materials, new tools, excuse me, new sizes, maybe something that's new for you. One moment. Back, had to get some water. So this time I chose, my new idea is a landscape. And I haven't really worked with landscape, but I still like to work abstractly. So this time I chose, after a little bit of thinking, how do I want to incorporate that? I thought something cool would be landscape from above, right? So I just went online and looked at some photos of areas, landscapes that were from above. And I chose a beach. You can pretty much tell that, right? And incorporated really some new ideas that I had. Oh, I want to try this. I've been doing this all this time. I want to do this. I want to do it a little different. I've done a lot of the same things over and over, sometimes. I wanted to try something new, right? So that's what I did. And I'm real pleased how it turned out. I hope you like it. And I hope you'll enjoy watching the video, and it'll encourage you to give it a try as well. Because, it's a year of doing new stuff, right? And getting out there and trying new things. So you'll see all sorts of stuff. We use some stencils, we use some liquid watercolor and pan watercolor, and we did a big size, which I really enjoy. This might be my favorite size. It's an 8x8, and it's a nice sturdy paper. It's 130 pound, which I love using. If I could find even some heavier duty, and it can go up to about 300, so I might order some of that. And I'm thinking about doing some stuff that's in a regular, not pre-cut. So maybe in the future I'll get to those. But I hope you'll try something new and use this time for you. 30 minutes, do some watercolor, stop thinking about what's stressful in your life, in our world, and just take this 30 minutes to relax, do some breathing, so that you can get back out there and fight the good fight, do the good things in your life, in the world, for the rest of the week. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for being here.